Hey guys. A few weeks ago my tailgate handle on the Ranger broke. Died, whatever. I would have put it on for you guys with John, but I had nowhere to put my phone, so this is what I have to do. Wind up and it wasn't actually that bad of a process, so get the screws out right there. And yeah. And try to pull it, try to wiggle it out. And then try to get it in there. I'm not even sure if it's even the correct tool for it, but I'm doing it anyway. Yeah, just a lot of stuff hasn't been really going on lately. Lack of work and stuff stopped me from working on the truck so much. Actually, I'll give you an update on that. I've had the lower high rod ends right there for a little bit. I don't think I have enough power to be able to do it myself, so I'm going to have my friend help me with it. I think it might be right there, if you guys see. Not sure, and there's a bug flying around me. Yeah, hopefully I can get it aligned pretty soon too. Kind of bald on the edge right there, but I think it's affecting on the other side as well. Not sure though. This one's doing pretty good still. 76,000 miles on it now. And that's completely out of the question for right now. It's those assholes at the tire shop. Let's see here. It'll line these in here. So put this one in here. Now. Yep. Let's see where. I don't know, it's something I always did it this way, like this. Right now it's not agreeing with me because I can't really. Did I get? No, I didn't. I'm gonna have to put you down for a minute. Alright, 1 second. Yeah, this cover actually wasn't for a Ranger, actually for an S10. Nope. That one's been in there since '97. At least when my aunt got it. I got this from a friend. Now they keep saying that some of those are all first gen. The tail light, bezel, and the grill tells me otherwise. My uncle actually had late uncle actually did have an 85. And the bezel and the grill pieces were 3 different pieces. So I still call those the first and this one the second. The one I got it off of was the 3rd gen. Like my aunt had in the back a while back. Same color as the Ranger. But I had to fit this one for it. But this one here. Yeah, see, look at not all completely even. That fits enough. I get the screws, whatever I had. This thing hadn't been off since 2016 when my late uncle passed, so. It's been a while. Alright, let's get back to work on it. I was using what I had at the time. This was always available, so I used it. If Found this screwdriver a couple years ago in the street. I put a little bit of Loctite on it. My phone's not acting funny. If you guys can't see because it's blurry or something, my apologies on that. There's probably about 8 bolts on here, give or take, holding this cover on the way I put it on here. There was one right there and here, but the type they stripped out is one right there. So yeah, I wasn't gonna go anywhere once I put it on there, so. And I'm gonna have to stop you guys right there. I gotta concentrate. Another repair job coming. Hopefully, it's a friend will help me do that with the truck. So, all right. You guys have a good day then. Bye.